Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine.
That's good.
How are you?
I am good too.
Nice.
It is good to see you.
It is good to see you too.
Are you feeling okay today?
Yes, I feel okay.
That's nice.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I am happy to meet you.
I am happy too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
Welcome here.
Thank you so much.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I like this place.
Is the place quiet?
Yes, it is quiet.
I like quiet places.
Me too.
Quiet places are nice.
Yes, very nice.
Where are you from?
I am from the city.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, it is a good city.
Do you live there now?
Yes, I live there now.
Do you live with family?
Yes, I live with my family.
That's good.
Yes, it feels good.
Family is important.
Yes, very important.
What do you do?
I am a student.
That's great.
Thank you.
Do you like being a student?
Yes, I like it.
What do you study?
I study many subjects.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
That's a good habit.
Yes, I try my best.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Is English easy for you?
It is a little easy.
That's good.
Yes, I am learning.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I practice daily.
How do you practice?
I listen and speak.
That is very good.
Thank you.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to podcasts.
Do they help you?
Yes, they help me a lot.
That's nice to hear.
I enjoy learning.
Do you speak English alone?
Yes, I speak alone.
That is very helpful.
Yes, I feel better.
Confidence is important.
Yes, I agree.
Do you feel shy sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I feel shy.
That is normal.
Thank you for saying that.
Everyone feels shy.
That makes me relaxed.
You are doing well.
Thank you for support.
Keep practicing every day.
Yes, I will.
Never give up.
I will not.
Are you busy now?
No, I am free now.
Do you have time to talk?
Yes, I have time.
Let's talk more.
Yes, let's talk.
What do you like to do?
I like reading.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
That's a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Music is relaxing.
Yes, it is.
Do you listen daily?
Yes, every day.
Time goes fast when we talk.
Yes, time goes fast.
I enjoy this talk.
Me too.
Talking helps learning.
Yes, it helps a lot.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too.
I hope we meet again.
Yes, I hope so.
Take care.
You too.
See you again.
See you again.
Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.